Hi, for the past 9 years, we have been successfully delivering market ready, scalable software. With a team of 100 top tier engineers, we have developed over 200 products surpassing a million downloads and helping clients secure over 20 million in funding. Now, let's take you behind the scene of how we do it.
Whenever a client approaches us, it's not the sales team who gets in touch with you. It's me, the business operation manager, who talks to you first and understands your idea. We conduct market research for you and suggest the world-class features for your software.
I design the technical solutions, so I am your solution architect. I choose the right tech stack, ensuring scalability and security, so your product is future-proof and robust enough to handle millions of active users.
It's time to ensure smooth and effective execution. I am here to manage the timelines, set milestones, and assure every step stays on track. For me, clear communication between client and team is key to success.
Design is the heart of every great product. Through wireframes and prototypes, we ensure your product is not just functional but also alluring and user-friendly.
Moving forward, it's time to bring your app ideas to life. What matters most to you? A seamless user experience or a powerful backend? We deliver both, whether it's Android, iOS, React, Flutter, Node.js or AI models. We have the expertise to meet all your needs.
I create the visual and interactive part of your app, everything the user sees and engages with.
I work behind the scene, building database models, API, and robust logic to make your app powerful, reliable, and ready to perform.
Implementing agile testing methodologies from design phase to deployment, we rigorously test your product. Combining manual testing with automation, we make your product stable and secure.
So that's how we deliver a world-class product. We maintain 99.9% uptime while delivering 200% more features compared to traditional development methods. Join the 400 plus businesses across US, Canada, UK, Saudi, Europe and Australia that have achieved digital excellence with DevStory. From vision to iconic brands, every team member works together to build products that solve real-world challenges. Let's zoom at DevStory.